Hi guys, so I am back with a new question for the sharpening skill series. This is the question reverse the number. So you will be given an integer n, you have to write a program to reverse it. Just a basic stuff. So t test cases, number of test cases, and then n values, and then we have to just reverse that. So let's go to the submit and open the Sublime text, copy the starter code and create a new file, save it as q5.py, paste the starter file, starter code, and then take the input. Let's copy this and let's paste. So here also I will be using string. So working in string is easy for reversing or traversing or finding some digits. So let's take a t, let's directly use the for loop for I in range int input, and then n equal to input as we would require in string. We will directly take the input, and then they said reverse the string, reverse the number. So reverse the number, we are assuming it as string. So for we can directly use the list slicing. So colon -1 would return us directly the reverse of this list. So if we consider n, it is basically a string, but string is a list of characters, so that list can be reversed direct using this simple formula. So let's print this out. So let's run this. So you can see you got reverse of this string. So reverse of each n. So 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 1 2 0 3 3 0 2 1 3. So this just reverse the list. So now this is our output, and let's see the output of there. So this is an integer, they told that reverse the number, and we are reversing a string. So 00 doesn't shouldn't come here as it is a number. So you basically write 3 3. So just if we convert this into int, the problem will get solved. So int and run. So now you can see, as integer doesn't has 00 at the starting, so it directly converts it into an integer and saves us and corrects the answer as given in the output. So this is a small code for that. So let us paste, directly submit and check whether it works or not. So got an correct answer status. So you can also use another technique, but it would be lengthy, so you can use for information purpose. If you don't know this, then what steps you should take, we will see that. So as we are taking an string, so basically let's print and see what n contains. So it will contain 1 2 3 4 5 and that. So what we can do, we can take a variable, so reverse n revn, and let's initialize it as a string, and then for I in n, for I in that string, we will take revn dot string, and then we will add n first and then the official string revn. Means what it will do, let's take an example. So it will basically take, if at first it would be an empty string, and then we will add the first element, which is the 1. We are considering this case. So it will so basically at first it is an empty string. So in this second step, what will it happen? Revn equal to 1 plus empty string. So basically the control flow is this will first execute and then it will be stored in revn. So I am taking that only, revn first, calculating this and storing this into this. So this is also a string. So basically now we will get revn as 1 equal to 1. In the next loop, what will happen? Revn reverse number would be equal to the second digit, as we have first taken the n, sorry, here we have to use I, we are using this iterator I. So second number would be 2. So revn equal to 2, string of 2, and then the original revn means the 1. So we will basically get 2 and 1. So similarly in next case 3 will be added here, in next case 4 will be added here, in next case 5 will be added here, and we will get a string 5 4 3 2 1. So for that let's print and see. That was the basic working. So again these are strings, so we have to convert it into integer. So converting it into the integer, int, and then running. So you will get again the same answer, and this code will also be used. So this is basic working. So this is all for this video. We will be back with a new question